Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering one of the hottest constitutional topics from the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026. The topic is delimitation explained. Will South Indian states lose seats? If you are preparing for UPSC, APPSC, TGPSC or any state PSC exam, this is a must-read issue from Polity and Governance. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. This topic is covered in multiple pages. You can read it from page numbers 3, 6, 12 and 13. Main related articles are delimitation will not affect southern states, says Goyal. Telangana CM moots hybrid, GSTP-based delimitation method. Resisting amendments for delimitation can harm the South. Congress unlikely to back delimitation. What is delimitation? Delimitation means redrawing boundaries of Lok Sabha and Assembly constituencies and deciding seat allocation based on latest population data. Why is this issue important now? The freeze on Lok Sabha seat redistribution is ending after 2026. Future census data may be used for fresh seat allocation. Why are South Indian states worried? Southern states control population growth through better health and education measures. If seats are based only on population, states with higher population growth may gain more seats. That may reduce relative political representation of southern states. Why Telangana proposal is important? Telangana Chief Minister suggested a hybrid model using population plus GSTP. This means both people and economic contribution should be considered. Important for fiscal federalism debate. Why Centre says no harm to South? Union leaders stated southern states will not lose representation and concerns will be addressed politically. Important for cooperative federalism. What should you study for exams? Article 82 of Constitution. Article 170 of Constitution. Delimitation Commission. 42nd Amendment freeze. 84th and 87th Amendments. Census linkage with seat allocation. Federalism and regional balance. Why important for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? Both states belong to South India and representation in parliament directly impacts policy voice, funds and political influence. Very important for APPSC and TGPSC. What to skip today? Skip party accusations, political blame game and emotional speeches. Focus only on constitution, amendments, census and representation formula. Quick revision keywords. Delimitation, Article 82, Article 170, Census, Lok Sabha seats, GSTP, Federalism, South India, Telangana model. If you want daily The Hindu exam focused analysis, subscribe now to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Study smart, not hard. Jai Hind.